Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. Today I wanted to share with you another Edifier product, which is a Bluetooth headset with the model number W800BT Pro. So wireless over-ear headphones with active noise cancellation. This is how they describe their product, and the key features here are the high resolution audio and the ANC, which basically stands for active noise cancellation. So today I just wanted to share with you my first unboxing of the headphones. I'm super excited because previously I reviewed Edifier earbuds and I've become a huge fan of this brand, even though I haven't tested a lot of its products, but I will do so in the near future. So let's see what's on the back of the box. Here we have some more features listed: active noise cancellation, as I mentioned, 40mm composite diaphragm driver, environmental noise cancellation, ambient sound mode, dual device connection via Bluetooth, and the foldable design that you're gonna see in seconds. So very nice packaged, and now it's time to see what's inside. So another key feature is 45 hours of battery life, but please note that this is with the ANC off. With the active noise cancellation on, you can rely at around 25 or something hours with this Bluetooth headset, which is pretty decent time for relatively powerful and high-end, I wouldn't say, but pretty decent headset. So now let's see what is inside the box. It's pretty sturdy. Let me take it out real quick. So I'm gonna hold this like that. As you can see, this is real world review, no setup or whatsoever. I'm not sponsored for these videos that I make, entirely consumer related, so you can get a better idea of a product if you want to buy it or anything else, purely consumer. So here we have some manual and a Type-C cable. Going to unpack this later. W800BT Pro. So let's throw this on the side, and here is the main thing that we hear about. Edifier headset. Let's remove these plastic covers. You can get this headset in a couple of different colors. I believe besides the black cover that you see right here, you have a gray option and a white option. I think it's 3 colors in general. Let me just remove this on the side so we can focus on the headset itself. And here it is absolutely beautiful, very stylish in black, very stylish with a very soft padding. So absolutely beautiful. Here's the Edifier logo and wonderful design. I assume these are going to be very comfortable, but of course I'm gonna make a full review very soon. This is only the unboxing that I wanted to show you. For a headset for around $50, I wouldn't expect premium sound, but from what I've seen from Edifier so far, I expect pretty decent sound. So stay tuned, subscribe, and watch the review that is coming very soon. And also don't forget to drop me a comment. What do you think about this product? And I will see you later.